What's up? This is Dr. Alasa Mohammed. Welcome to our online clinic. If you are new here, try to subscribe. Start subscribing. Click on the bell so you get update and drop our next video. Now welcome to the clinic. It's kind of freezing in here, so let's get started. Now, now last video we talked about immortality of humans, how humans can live longer and how they can have a longer lifespan, and we traced it down to their diet, what they eat. And we believe that if they eat well, they eat better, then it can help in prolonging a lifespan. So today we're talking about food and how you can combine food and the kind of food you should take, that is your intake of food, and it can help in prolonging your lifespan. So now we'll be boiling down to what is called the food pyramid. Now we have heard about the food pyramid, and some of us have heard about the class of food and how they come in play. Now the food pyramid is a pyramid that shows your daily intake of food. That's how you should take your food, your daily intake of food. That's what the pyramid talks about. Now the food pyramid is divided into different sections with different class of food, in which you should warrant to 100% in a day. Now the pyramid goes at this, in which you have your carbohydrates 5%, you have your protein 15%, you have your fruit and vegetable 30%, then you have your whole grains 50%. Now we'll be giving you food that fall into this category and how you can have them, how you can eat them to help you. Now the first, we said carbohydrate 5%. To take carbohydrate, very little carbohydrate, because almost all the food you take contains carbohydrate. So if you take the main principle of carbohydrate, if you take the main carbohydrate food, there are other protein food that also contain little carbohydrate in them. So that's if you are just pulling too much carbohydrate into your system. Okay, so now just take a carbohydrate 5%, because too much in the of carbohydrate can also lead to diabetes, also detrimental to health. So I'll take that carbohydrate 5%, and your carbohydrate, you have food like your rice, your jam, bread, cassava flour, your flour, also your potatoes and your spaghetti. We all know carbohydrate food. Just take them very little. That is 5% of carbohydrate. Also go to your protein. Now your protein should take at 15%, because the protein should be taking more than the carbohydrate, because the protein helps in building the blocks of life. They help your cell development also, and also your protein should not be taking more than 15%. And you should know that we have basically two types of protein. We have the plant protein and the animal protein. I always tell my patients go for the plant protein, because the animal protein sometimes always have these issues concerning our health. Now examples of the animal protein are your milk, your egg, your meat. Now do you know that for your meat, it takes at least 8 hours for a piece of meat to digest? And also taking your egg, now egg contains cholesterol, which is like detrimental to your heart also. So we say for children, we say eat just an egg for a day. There's an egg for a day. But for an adult, say eat an egg for like a week, because you don't need this excess cholesterol. Also, still with the animal protein, we also have the I said the milk with the fish and the meat. Now the best type of meat to go for is the white meat. That's your chicken meat. Also, they are the white meat, are the best type of protein to go for. But the best type of protein to go for again is the plant protein, because I don't too much recommend the animal protein, because they have this they have tendency of having they are detrimental to your health if you take them excessively. Now for the plant protein, you have your plant protein. That is your beans, your lettuce, your tofu, your legumes. Those are the plant protein, which are the best type of protein for you to eat. Then next we'll go to your fruit and vegetables. Now fruit and vegetables are very, very essential, because most of us in this part of the world, we don't eat the fruit and vegetable. We just eat the fruit, and we eat the food like we are eating normal things. You eat the fruit as if you are eating your food also, because your fruit and vegetables should eat them 30% more than your carbohydrate, more than your protein, because this fruit and vegetable contain essential vitamins. You have your vitamin C, your vitamin E, and the vitamins help in mopping out excess free radicals. Now these free radicals are cancer causing agents. Now if you take your vitamins, your fruit and vegetable more, it help in mopping out these free radicals, in which it will not make you have these free radicals roaming in your body, which are future cancer causing agents. Now an example of your fruit and vegetable, you should go for your carrot, your cucumber, your watermelon, those will help your vitamin C, your vitamin D, and vitamin E. Now also for your vegetables, you should have your leafy green vegetable, which you have your lettuce and your spinach, which follow like the leafy green vegetable. Then also you also have the cruciferous vegetables also, which are your cabbage and your broccoli also, which you should take your vegetable more. That's 30%. Then we'll go to your whole grains. Your whole grains should be taken 50%. That should be half of what you eat in a day should be your whole grains. Now the question is, what are whole grains and why should we take whole grains more? Now, whole grains help in mopping out excess sugar and excess cholesterol from the body. Yes, I'm telling you, it helps in mopping out excess sugar and excess cholesterol. Most of us don't know about these whole grains, and most of us don't take these whole grains, but they are necessary in having an healthy lifestyle. Now, example of these whole grains are your wheat. Yes, your family of wheat, they are the best whole grain to take. You have your oat also, your oat, your Quaker oat, or any kind of oat you're having. Then also your brown rice. Also now know about your basmati rice. You should also take your oat. That is your basmati rice instead of taking the normal rice. Those brown rice, they are okay for you to take. You have your millet also. Millet is also coming from the whole grains, and also your buckwheat also. Now this wheat also can be you can use them instead of using your normal flour in making your bread and making other stuff. You can also convert using wheat in making them, like making your wheat bread. And also you can also use that in making your bread instead of normal flour. Also, with all this, you should also take take normal intake of water. You don't take excess water. Take at least 2 liters of water in a day, because it helps you flushing your system. And also, once your system is being flushed, you excrete what is not needed in your body. Water also is very good for your system. I hope this video has been okay for you. If it has been, yeah, give it a like and also share with your friends and family.